Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firna Resvita and I am from 6C class. And now I would like to tell you about the story of Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. Start from chapter 1 until chapter 10. Okay, the story begins with a man named Robinson Crusoe who was born into a wealthy family in the year 1632 in the city of York, England. Crusoe is the youngest of three brothers. His oldest brother was a soldier and his second brother mysteriously disappeared. As the youngest child, Crusoe is not expected to inherit much from his family. His father encouraged him to pursue a career in the field of law. However, Crusoe has a strong desire to go to the sea. Despite his family disapproval, Crusoe is determined to follow his own path. So that on September 1, 1651, when one of Crusoe's friends sailed to London, he could not resist the temptation and decided to join the voyage. At first, things seemed to go well for Robinson. He makes some money on his trip and feels pretty good about his choice. But then disaster strikes. Pirate attacks his ship and capture him. Then he ended up as a slave in North Africa for 2 whole years. But Robinson doesn't give up. He managed to escape with a boy named Suri. They are eventually rescued by a kind Portuguese captain who takes them to Brazil. Then in Brazil, Robinson starts a new life as a tobacco farmer. He is doing okay, but he gets greedy. He decided to join a trip to Africa to buy slaves. This turned out to be a huge mistake. A massive storm hit their ship, and Robinson finds himself shipwrecked and alone on a deserted island. So Robinson had to learn how to survive alone. He salvaged what he could from the damaged ship, like items such as food, equipment, and weapons. He built himself a house, which he proudly called his castle. To record his days and experience, he started writing in a journal. Robinson learned to do everything he could to stay alive. He became a hunter, farmer, and even raised goats. But it's not easy. He faced difficult times such as earthquake and major storm. Sometimes he felt very sad and lonely, but he never stopped trying to improve his situation. As time goes by, Robinson gets better and better at island life. He repaired his house and grew more food. He also began to think more about God and wonder if perhaps he is on this island for the reason. Okay, maybe that's all for the oral report about Robinson Crusoe story from me. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.